How to add TRC tokens to Trust Wallet 2023. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can add TRC tokens to Trust Wallet, so make sure to stick with me till the end. So if you want to add TRC tokens to Trust Wallet, first of all simply open up the Trust Wallet app and just make sure to sign into your account. Then once you sign into your account, this is basically the kind of interface that you will see. So what you have to do from here is, depending upon whether you want to add them on the home screen, just tap on the search option here, and then from here what you have to do is simply go ahead and then type in Tether. And once you've done that, you'll find the one with the TRC20 tokens over here, right? So you simply have to look for the TRC20 token here, which will be under USDT or Tether. Then once you've selected that, you'll be able to add it. Now sometimes it might not be available, but if it is available, you'll be able to select TRC20, or you can also simply search for TRC20 over there, and then you'll be able to swap them. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.